Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a crochet braid takedown, as you guys can tell by the title of the video. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications, give the video a thumbs up. You know the drill. And if you don't know the drill, you must be new to the channel, girl, so welcome. So today's video, like I said, you guys, is going to be a crochet braid takedown. So I have never done a video like this on my channel, but I do get comments occasionally about how do you take down a crochet braid style. And it is actually like so easy, girl, because all you're gonna need is some scissors and we just gonna cut it out easy, okay? But I just figured I'd do a video on it since, you know, I feel like that belongs on my channel. Like, we talk a lot about how to install crochets, but we really don't talk about how to remove it and move on to the next style. So we're gonna talk about that today. So what I'm gonna do is basically go ahead and just kind of like section off my hair, and then I will come back and then we will start cutting. Okay guys, so we are ready to get started. So basically all you're gonna need is some scissors, some clips, and maybe like a scrunchie or something. So what I normally do is just pull a little bit at a time, and honestly you might not even really need like a scrunchie or anything. I'm just gonna kind of like clip it like this, and you're literally just gonna cut as close as you can to the braid without cutting the braid. So literally you can see if you get close, I'm just gonna snip. You guys can see how I'm getting it, or trying to, I'm just kind of like pulling it away so you can see the knot. And so you see the knot right here, and then I'm just gonna cut it right there. So it's as close as possible to the knot. And then you guys can see how it looks just like this. And so normally I cut my whole head and then I'll go back and kind of like pull these pieces. So that's what we're gonna do. So then just pull off a little bit more. And if you pull the hair like away, you'll kind of like lift your cornrow up and you'll be able to see right where the knot is and just cut close. You don't have to like clip it individually. You can do big chunks at once. So I can literally take this whole chunk right here, pull it, and then just cut close. Just like that. Really easy, you guys. And then I'm just taking all of it, putting it in this Walmart bag, and that's it. So super duper easy. Show you guys this right here. So this right here, like, I want to be very careful with. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my cornrow right here. So I want to make sure that I'm really looking closely when I'm cutting this, and I don't cut it like this because I'll cut off my cornrow. So just make sure that you have that. And then another thing that I do, you guys, this is my last braid. So I like to take this out so that I know that I'm not going to cut any of my hair. So this is my last braid that I crochet up so that I don't have to like sew it or anything. So I crochet this last piece up into my braid. So you guys can see, here it is right here, looking perfect. None of it has been cut or anything like that. And I like to take this down and then maybe just like bobby pin it right here so that I know this is mine, and I've already cut all this side, so I'm done with scissors over here. So just make sure that you watch out for that you're cutting it properly. And y'all can see, look right here, this is the loop of my crochet. So I want to be careful when I'm cutting this and cut it like that so that I'm not getting too close. Okay, you guys, so that is really it. And this is how it looks. All the crochet is out. So we'll go ahead and just kind of start removing these pieces. So it's super easy to remove these little pieces. You literally, you can see, I just pulled one out. Because this hair is of a coarser texture and I only like knotted it on one time, they come out, and I can take this down now. But they come out, you just kind of get your finger in the loop, and then it's very easy to just pull it. Like you just kind of take where the knot is and undo it. Because you cut so close to the knot, it comes off so easily. Like I really kind of just slide my fingers, and y'all can see I pulled off all of those in one swift motion. So it's very, very easy. If you have a silky crochet style installed where you have knotted it maybe like 3, 4, 5 times, it's still going to be pretty easy, you guys. You may have to take a few of them and use the scissors to kind of like cut in between the knot. But if you have something like this, it's so easy, you guys, to take these out. That I'm pretty much done with the scissors after I've cut all the crochet as close to the knot as I can. I may need the scissors if one of the knots is just like stuck for whatever reason and I can't use my fingers, but really you're done with the scissors at this point, and it's coming out so easily. You guys can see I'm pretty much done. Done taking out all of my cornrows. Okay, we got the fro back for a few hours. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. As you can see, it's super duper easy to take out a crochet braid style. Just make sure that you're careful when you cut close to the knot so that you don't cut your cornrows. The closer you cut to the knots, the easier it's going to be to just kind of go like this with your fingers and just loosen it up. You don't even have to really get as close as I get, but do make sure, you know, don't cut half off and then just try to do it from there. Cut as close as you can, but you know, definitely make sure you don't hit those cornrows, okay, with the scissors. And I forgot to mention in the beginning what crochet I was wearing. It is the J wand curl. I will link the video in the cards and in the description box down below, so you guys can be sure to check out that video if you want to see the installation process, as well as the second video, which is the update on the hair and my final thoughts. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with my wash day, which will just be shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner. I gotta blow dry, braid it up and everything to get ready for the next style. If you guys are interested in seeing that process, my wash day routine, as well as my braiding pattern for crochet braid styles, I will link both of those in the description box down below, as well as in the cards. I have two separate videos, one on my natural hair wash day routine and another one on my favorite braiding pattern for crochet braids. So like I said, both of those will be linked below and in the cards for you guys. If you have any questions about anything in today's video, anything about crochet braids at all, definitely be sure to comment down below and I will get back to you guys. But also don't forget to check out the crochet braid playlist. I did like 5 different crochet braid videos last week that were not like hair installs, that were more like informational videos about products and like my favorite crochets and all that type of stuff. So definitely be sure to check out all of those videos, you guys. There's tons of information that I'm sure will be helpful, especially if you are new to crochet braids. So yes, that is going to be it for today's video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.